Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Godswill. Today I bring to you an important update from CEXP.io. We've been participating in an airdrop which is being powered by CEXP.io. I think for almost 2 months right now we've been on it, but right now that the very first season, which is season one, has just ended, and right now season two is already in progress. So CEXP.io is a leading cryptocurrency ecosystem and a trading platform. All right, so this is a place where you can buy, sell, and exchange cryptocurrencies. I've actually known them for some time. So that was why the moment I saw them doing an airdrop, I said no, I didn't even waste time. I jumped into it immediately. All right. So without wasting much of your time, I just want to show us the process on how you can maximize this season two. All right. So without wasting much of your time, let's head over to Telegram. All right. Okay, so for those of us who actually participated in the season one, you agree with me that season two interface is quite different from what season one interface look like. So we'll have more work to do in season two compared to what we did in season one. Okay, so when you look here, you will see we're actually on the work page. All right, so this particular place, all you just need to do is to tap. All right, so you can use one finger, two finger, three, four fingers, as many fingers you can use. All right, so for me, I'm using my 5 fingers to type. That is why you're seeing these numbers popping up this way. All right, so you can just keep tapping. The more you tap, the more you earn more coins. So I'll show you what you can do with this particular coin you are earning right here. Okay, so let me quickly take you to this particular place. Sorry, here. Okay, so once you go click on your name, you'll see this where you see your level. So at the moment I've actually gotten to level 5. Okay, so I'm heading to level 6, right? So I need about 2 million of that coin to get head to level 6. So that coin, this coin you see here, is what you use in upgrading your levels in order for you to earn this. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything. So the next place we'll be looking at is this particular place. Okay, this particular place, mine. So once you click on mine, it opens up this interface. So this is what you will see. Okay, so this is my current mining power. So I have about 763,000 CESP. That's my current mining power. All right, so when you scroll down, you can see my mining per hour, what my mining per hour is, and you can see my crypto balance at the moment. Okay, so now for those of us who are familiar with all these per hour earnings things in the crypto space, like what the hamster combat and the likes of them are doing, so once you understand it, you will try very well here. You won't find this very difficult. Okay, so what you need to do is just for you to keep upgrading, upgrade. The more you upgrade all these things, the more coin you earn. All right, so that is just what you need to do here. So it's not something hard, very straightforward. So make sure you upgrade. You go to power, you go to business, you go to special, everything here, you just keep upgrading them. All right, the more you keep upgrading them, the more your earning per hour just keep increasing, and that would definitely show how much you would earn at the end of the day. So the next place you're going to go to is you go to tasks. So once you go to task, here you look at for new tasks. So for me, I've completed all the tasks that okay, yeah, I actually have some new tasks which I've not done. So this ones I'll come and complete them later. Okay, so I'll complete them later. So, but majority of the tasks that we did in season one, we carried them over. They brought it over for us here, so you can see them under completed. That is where you find them. So when you go under squad, here you can, when you invite people, like people who are in your team, you can actually see what every member of your team is doing, so you all can actually work together to achieve a common goal. So finally, I want to show us this particular place. It's called convert. All right, so once you go to this place, so you can actually convert um your coin. All right, the one that you're getting from TapTap and the one that is being mined, you can actually convert the one that is being mined, use it to upgrade. So let me just show you this so you can see. So right now I have about 9.98 of this coin. All right, so let me click on it. So all I will do now is I'll convert everything. So let me convert everything so you can see. So here I convert it, so I'll get about 633,000. Okay, so fine. So it has successfully been converted. So let me go back to mine. So back to this workplace. So you can see the total coin I have right now. So let me go back to mine. So this is my current per hour earning. All right, so when you look here, you see my per hour earning. So let me go back to this place. So let's go to mine. So let me just try to upgrade some of this. So let me upgrade this. All right, so let's see, just keep upgrading, just keep upgrading. Okay, I just want to quickly show us something. All right, so you can just use this to keep upgrading. All right, just keep upgrading. The more you upgrade, the more you earning per hour increases. So if you remember, you notice that here it was 1.2 something, but right now it's around 1.3 already. So the more you keep doing this, it also affects your per hour earning. All right, so that's just it. Is just straightforward. It's not something hard. All right, so just focus on earning more of just focus on increasing your balance, and how you can do it is by upgrading these guys, upgrading everything that are here. All right, just keep upgrading them. Go to power, go to business, go to special, keep upgrading. By so doing, your earning per hour would also skyrocket, and you're going to have a big balance at the end of the day. So any other update that comes from them, I'll definitely post it here for every one of us. So they actually have a very active community, all right, on Twitter. You can follow them on Twitter, and you can also follow them on their TG channel where they post all different updates. All right, so you can see this is one of the updates. Yes, you can get 10% from your squad. That's for those who are actually interested in doing the networking aspect of it. All right, so there are so many updates which they have actually put up here. So you can come back here and take advantage of all these updates. I hope this helps.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Your support means the world to me and it helps me create more great content for you. Don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful. Until next time, take care.